you who don't know me, I'm Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and I'm really excited to finally kick off my BOGO sale. I've been talking about it for about a week now. It takes a lot of time to get all these products into an album on the Facebook page for you to enjoy browsing and shopping. So if you're not sure what a BOGO sale is, my BOGO sale is where you get the opportunity to shop my previously loved items that I have used in my business. And then I give them to you free as my thank you for being my customer when you make a purchase of equal value in my online store. So these are only held maybe once a year. Some years I don't hold it at all, so it's a really special time. And the sale is going to run from now until August 29th. So you are welcome to start browsing and claiming anything you see that you love. So this is how it works. You are going to browse through all the albums on the page, and I do have a little graphic there showing you how to find the album so you can see everything. If you see something you would like, you simply comment sold underneath the item that you would like. If someone has already commented sold, it's okay, mark next. Sometimes sales fall through or people change their mind, and if that happens, then I will be sure to contact you. Then once you're all done browsing, there is a link to a form on the page here that you click on, and you go to that form and you're going to fill out your name and your address in case I need to ship your items to you. And then you list all the things that you have selected. So it's important to keep a little pen and paper by you so you can keep track of the items that you select. Now, when you're selecting the items, everything has the catalog price on them. Now, you are not going to pay that. You are actually not even going to pay a penny for any of these items. But what you are going to do is you're going to jump into my online store and you are going to place an order equaling the amount of all the free items that you selected. There is a link here on the page, and I'm also going to send you a confirmation email with that link to take you into my online store where you will get to shop and choose anything you would like, as long as it's the same amount as what you have chosen from the page here free. Once I see that order pop through, I will have all your things ready, and you're welcome to stop by my home and pick them up. Now, if you don't live local to me, it's not a problem. I will package everything up nice and cute and put it in a box for you. And you do have to pay the shipping fee to you, but again, you don't pay a single penny for any of these items. And there are hundreds of items. So these are all the items that you will find in the albums in the page here. So let's take a closer look at some of these. So everything is kind of divided by category to help make your shopping a little bit easier. So there's an album that's just dies, and these are the dies that I have. Some of these may have coordinating stamp sets, but I don't have the stamp sets necessarily. There's your Halloween and fall, tons of punches, stamp sets galore. We have tons of stamp and die bundles. These are all stamp and die bundles. There's paper. So let me tell you about the paper. I have 3 of these bins chock full of paper, but it is not up on the page. Now, if I do get some time this week, I'll try to put some things in there, but if there's something you're looking for, please ask. I can guarantee I probably have it. I have gone through and made embellishment and ribbon packs. So I tried to put the value in here of at least $25 or $30 or more. And it's just a variety of items. And if you see an embellishment or a ribbon pack that you would like, all you have to do is comment sold, and you will get everything in this collection. All the embellishment packs are $20, which is already an incredible value because there's a lot more than $20 in these packs. And then, of course, you're getting it free for only having to purchase $20 on your order. And the same with the ribbon. All the ribbon has 5 spools. Now, these items have been gently used. Some of them are brand new and not even open. Some of the spools are full and not open. Some of the embellishments may not be open, but a lot of them are open, and a lot of the things have been used. But all the stamps and dies work perfectly. You will not be disappointed with getting these for free. So if you have any questions, please let me know. You can leave them here on the video, or you can reach out to me, and I'm always happy to help. So let me see if we have any comments here. Hi, Janet. Thanks. Yes, I know, BOGO. It's always so fun. But look at all this. All these items are listed. I've got a bin of stamp and punch bundles. These are all memory and more cards and card bases and envelopes. I mean, there is just so much good stuff, and some of my absolute favorites. And if you go into the item, sometimes I have more than one of the item as well. So if you open that album and just scroll through, it makes it easy to see what I might have multiples of. Now this is 6x6 paper packs, embossing folders, so all kinds of great stuff. I know you love punches. Who can't love a punch, right? So I hope that you enjoy browsing all these items, and I can't wait to gift them to you as my thanks. And I do have to say, I am super close to earning the Stampin' Up! Incentive trip. And so this is the sale that I decided to offer as my thanks to all my customers. And in my opportunity to get to gift these things to you, I'm hoping that I also cross the finish line for the trip. So yes, in all the creative ways, and you will use them creatively as well. I know that. So I hope you all have a great day, and thanks for browsing. Enjoy. Bye.